Yo, what's up traders, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to trade a hybrid system, and of course I will update you on my last trade. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, this is the GBPNZD chart. Well, my first trade was the CAT JPY, right? I took a sell order and then it went a little bit to the upside. My robot got enabled and then it took me out with a W, with a win instead of a stop loss. Yeah, my next trade was on the GBPNZD. So I took the trade about here. It was a daily demand zone and there was like a short-term trend line cross, right? So I was like, okay, I saw multiple confluences, but this was something that I'm seeing right now as well. So I was like, well, we need to go down. So I took a trade about here, then it went to the upside, and as you can see, normally I would place my stop loss over here above the highest point, and then as you can see, two spikes to the upside, two wicks, and normally my stop loss would get hit, and then it goes to the downside, and again it spikes people out, and then it goes to the downside, so it dropped. And yeah, so as you can see, normally I would have lost this trade. And the funny thing is that I took the same trade on my funded account, but there I am obliged to take a sell or a stop loss. So my stop loss got hit on my funded account, but on my hybrid trading testing system, I was still in a trade. And then finally nothing really happened, and then it again went to the upside, as you can see. And then about here it took another sell order, because it was a sell order. And then about here these two trades got closed with 1% gain, just what I wanted and expected to happen. Let me show you the MT4 account. So this is the same account, and as you can see, I took a sell order. By the way, it was the 18th, and I was like, I guess it was about 50, 60 or 50 pips virtual stop loss. So I was like, well, my TP is 50 pips and my stop loss is also about 50 pips or 60. I guess it was 60, because this is, it was 60 pips. So then, okay, the price made a higher high. So normally I would got stopped out, right? On my funded account I got stopped out. I took a loss, and then the price dropped to the downside, but didn't. It was 80 pips. Let me show you. I think it was about 80 pips. Yeah, I think it was 80 pips, because over here I see 60 pips that it would had reached the 1% gain. So I think it was about 80 pips. As you can see, it wasn't able to close to reach the 80 pips, so then it went to the upside. And then this trade over here, let me zoom in again. This trade over here was a sell order that my robot took, and it took a sell order, and then in total I reached 1%. So there was $20 and this was 81, so it was about 1%, right? About 100 euros, and a 10k account, or dollars, euros, doesn't matter. So in total it was 1%, just what I wanted. And so this is how the hybrid trading system works, and let me show you. So in the description you will find a link of my FX book. As you might remember, in my previous video I told everyone that I would just track this trading system using my FX book, using my FX book page. And as you can see over here, I started with 10k. Yeah, so first it was 100k, but then I took 90k out, as you can see, withdraw. So then I was left with 10k. So we got one trade, the last one, the CAT JPY, and I made about 100 euros or dollars on that. And then I took the GBPNZD trade, and over here you see that yeah, the first one was 20, about 20, and then it was about 80. So now in total I have made almost 2%. As you can see, yeah, 2 trades, and I'm 2% in profit, about 2% in profit, and that's exactly what I wanted. My drawdown is also quite low, 1%. So yeah, I will continue doing this for like a few months, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, and if I'm still satisfied, I think that I will integrate this into my my trading strategy. And yeah, basically this is the way how I will trade in the future if I'm really satisfied with how this performs on a longer term basis. This is a way of trading that is kind of stress-free. I will take the trade myself first, and of course, like I said, I look at multiple confirmations. When I'm not really spot on in the first place, then yeah, my robot is able to get me out of the trade with the profit. As you can see, I should be minus 2%, right? Because my virtual stop loss got hit. But as you can see, my robot just helped me, and yeah, was able to turn it around, and as you can see, almost 2% gain. And I think that it's basically swap that I had to pay. But yeah, I'm really satisfied right now, and I will keep doing this. So yeah, just follow me along on this journey. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you have any questions, just yeah, leave a comment down below. I see you in the next one.